Hi, my name is MATTEO here at Thompson Lexus Willow Grove. Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite aspects of my job, and that's vehicle reconditioning. So vehicle reconditioning is the process by which we take a raw product, which is a vehicle that's just been traded in or bought, and we refurbish it both mechanically and cosmetically to turn it into the car that's ready for our front line. So whenever we get a new vehicle in, the first step in our reconditioning process is I'll do a walk around with one of my technicians and we'll make a game plan as to what the vehicle is going to need. The mechanic will do an inspection on the car. For example, on this Lexus GX, we did a set of 4 new tires. We also replaced the brakes and rotors. Also, as this is a certified pre-owned car, we're going to proactively do the 30,000 mile service, which replaces the cabin air filter, does a tire rotation, and we do an oil change on the car. Then, after our mechanical inspection is over, we'll send the vehicle to our detail facility, and the technicians there can really do some incredible things to refurbish these cars. For example, on this GX, we're going to refinish the rear bumper. We also have some scratches in the cargo area of this GX. Then we'll have a highly skilled detailer thoroughly clean the car inside and out. The last step, the car gets shipped back to our facility, and I personally inspect every single car that comes back. Used vehicle reconditioning is incredibly crucial to what we do here at Thompson. If you have any other questions about our pre-owned vehicles or our reconditioning process, please feel free to stop by at Thompson Lexus Willow Grove at any time. You can speak with either myself or any one of my highly skilled sales staff.